Thermal Mermaid is a soap and cosmetic making tutorial channel. Probably the most common question that I get on any given video is, where do you get your supplies? From soap making supplies to lotion ingredients to anything related, this is what everyone wants to know. Well, I'm going to tell you where you can find absolutely everything, and you can find it all in one spot. I've just published the Wholesale Supplier Handbook. This is 125 pages of just suppliers for everything for soap and cosmetics. Now, it does also include fabric crafters, candle suppliers, crystal and jewelry suppliers, and it is separated into two main parts. The first part is alphabetical, so you can go directly to the store that you're looking for, and the second part is by country and region, so you can kind of browse for suppliers that happen to be local to the area that you are wanting to target. Supplier handbooks like this typically sell for $40 to $50 for access to these resources, but I have this up now for the members at Cottage DIY to freely download. You can find this book in Lesson 10.2 in the Soap and Cosmetic category. Lesson 10.2 is listed as Supplies and Services, and as soon as you scroll underneath the video, the PDF is right there to download. This is freely available to anyone right now who is a Mermaid or Siren level member in the Thermal Mermaid Soapmakers course. And give this channel a follow if you want access to a never-ending amount of information on natural handmade skincare items.